Hello! Welcome back to our channel. We are the Curious Kiwis. We are back again with our last holiday video. Today we are in Christchurch. Oh my god, the sun's so bright, and we're going to go exploring in Christchurch. Yep. At the moment we're in Lyttleton. The port is right behind us. And we just went to a plant shop. I'll insert some footage here for you. Yeah, let's go explore Christchurch.
Yes, come.
Let's go.
Come.
Yeah, the glass bottle. Yeah. Shwee. But this looks silly.
Almost there.
Compared to a lot, it's quite slow.
Always a bit
It'll
complaining.
be quicker going down.
No, I think it's good. It's a good thing. Get more time to look at the view.
Yeah, I got your nose picking on a video.
Want to get up then? That's something.
You made it. Oh,
Yes, oh, easy. So that's Lyttleton.
We're going down.
Yes, that was a wasp.
Yeah. Oh my god. Time to go down the New Brighton Pier.
Come.
Another major earthquake has struck, and this time people have died.
Okay, so this is the Avon Red Zone. So as you can see, this used to be a residential street, and you can see all the old driveways to houses and stuff. But this is where all like the liquefaction stuff was, and where the most damage to houses was done. So everything's gone now, and it's just an empty street.
Food market.
Food markets, the Riverside Market. Alright, so I got a kiwi shaped pretzel with butter. I'm gonna eat his face off. Now, does everyone say?
Bit of a windy morning. Closed. Oh no! Out 10 a.m. Wah, wah, wah. Let me in! Let me in! This is not nice.
Alrighty, we are home now. We made it home safe and sound. It was an amazing holiday, wasn't it? Yeah, we hope you enjoyed all these videos. We did. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you see more, and also make sure to hit the notification bell ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, so you never miss another video again. Also make sure to hit the like button down below if you like this video, because yeah, that helps out our channel a lot.
Yes.
So yeah, we will see you in our next geocaching video.
Bye.
Bye.